Look at us, Stimpy. No longer are we lowly house pets. We've climbed the evolutionary ladder. We've been accepted into the world of higher mammals. We've evolved. Stimpy, aren't you ashamed? What if another monkey saw that? Get that dad-blasted stick out of your nose!
Okay.
Shame, Stimpy. You'll have to pardon my friend here. He's not as yet accustomed to your sophisticated city monkey ways. Okay, Stimpy. It's time for your evolving lessons.
Oh, rapture! I'm gonna be a monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Okay, if you want to be a monkey, you gotta learn to act like a monkey. And I've got the know-how, because I've seen every Tarzan movie ever made. So watch and learn. All right, Stimpy, listen up. Now, note the ease with which I swing so nimbly. Hither and yon. Witness as I perform an amazing double somersault and catch myself with my prehensile tail.
Oh, I get the idea. Prehensile nose.